Hello guys, welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix Facebook login disabled. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are unable to log in the Facebook account and you are getting the error as login disabled, so I will show you how to fix this. First of all, you need to open your settings. Just tap on the setting and scroll down. In this you can see here app management. Just tap on. Guys, in this you can see here second option, default app. Just tap on this. In this you need to tap on browser app. Just tap on the browser app. Here you need to select your default browser app. I am selecting the Google Chrome. Then go back. After that, last option you can see here, open links. Just tap on this. Guys, you have to make sure that instant app option is enabled. If it is disabled, just enable this one. Then go back, open your Facebook app. You can see here top right side 3 line. Just tap on this and scroll down a little bit. You can see here settings and privacy. Just tap on this and again you need to tap on the settings and scroll down. You can see here media option. Just tap on this. Again you need to scroll down a little bit. Guys, you can see here last option, links open externally. Guys, you have to make sure you have to check mark this option. After check mark, then go back and try to log in your Facebook account. After doing these settings, now you can try and log in from any embedded browser. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Facebook login disabled from an embedded browser. That's it guys. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.